Hello, I'm Wilson with Quick CNC. Today we are going to introduce you our CNC machining center UC-481. It is one of our most popular ATC machines for years. We'll go through and cover all the different details and all the basic features. If you are new to the UC-481, then we'll go through and cut a project for you on this machine. What is a CNC machining center? First of all, the spindle is Italian-made spindle, which is considered to be one of the best spindles in the world. It's an automatic toe-changing spindle, has 10 pieces rotary type to hold your toes. The 10 toes rotary type allows your CNC rotor to complex very highly job with multiple types and with no interaction. There's an automatic touch-off station here in the front as well to make your toe changes a breeze. We've also added in a toe changing station in this place that it can hold your wrenches, hold your toner as you're doing a toe change. Look, here are motors equipped on this machine. Yaskawa brand servo motors, a great Japanese brand in the motor industry. Resolution can be reached at 24 bits, the best one in the current market. The servo motor system is closed-loop control cycle, which means it is smarter to coordinate with system indications. Well, compared with separate motors, a servo system will not lose steps when doing your work, and it will be more stable in high running speed while they are doing our work. Besides the motors are the planetary reducers. Let's have a look at. Well, it's really heavy. Let's check inside. As you can see, really sophisticated. It helps the servo motors to reduce speed while increasing output torque. By this way, the motor can obtain the best transmission efficiency. The foundation for running quality CNC machine is heavy frame that is very rigid regardless constructed machine structure. The material is stress relievered and annealed for demotion free. Thus keeps machine accurate. And the UC is all steel design. It means it's a lot of durable and more rigid. The next part is vacuum table, and this is the working surface of this machine. This is specially designed table. You can see it has double layers. The unique design has better sealing performance and better absorption. The double layer design also has the advantage of being strong and not deformed. This is 4x4 working size. We can also offer 5x10, 5x12, and so on upon your request. The next part is guide and rails. We've added these covers, and those cover the rack and opening on the liner guides so that you don't get any dust and debris down into its items. What makes us different from other manufacturers is that we always insist on imported brands. The rack carrier brand is from Germany. Reliable method of ensuring quick and easy material positioning are the pop-up pins. With full traumatic retraction, there is no fear of any accidental collision with the pins. The machine is configured with 5 pins, X-axis with 2 pieces. And Y-axis is 3. Over the way, one of the areas we had a close look at was improving the dust collection. On the UC, we redesigned the dust hood to make it tighter to spindle, and we've also added the support for the dust collection hose. And this is really improved dust collection greatly. I've always loved about this UC is just how easy it is. To service and to operate maintenance is really easy. There is a centralized lubrication system here. One quick pump will lubricate all 3 axes of this machine. Machine control. Syntec is a leading company in the world. It is a company from Taiwan. We choose them because it's a powerful controller. Syntec is a company that started as metalworking company and later evolved in woodworking industry. So it requires very high precision and very stable. So it will make it easier for you to determine if you are on the right part. We also give you a hand wheel that can easily move the machine. Offer you a very convenient hand wheel to control the machine. As you can see, there is X, Y, Z, 5 buttons. When I turn it to X axis, it will move right and left, as you can see. When I turn to Y axis, it will move forward and backward, as you can see. Just as easy. The controller cabinet. We can see the drivers, the inverters, and other important parts inside. Just like we have seen, all the wires are neat and each cable has labels for maintaining the machine. Everybody knows that electronics are sensitive to dust and vibration, and that's what we put those electronics into the cabinet to keep them away from the dust and vibration on the machine. We also put fans on the control cabinet to keep a steady stream of fresh air going through the cabinet to maintain temperature inside the control cabinet. This ensures years of reliable service from your electronics. The completes a walkthrough of every single details and every single features of this ADC sensing machine center. Now let's put this 9 kilowatts spindle into a test by doing a very nice cabinet job. Let's go ahead and get an MDF board. Now let's cover it up. See what we have got. As you can see, the efficiency is quite good. This is about 18 millimeters MDF board, and the drilling is very smooth. The machine done a very good job.